This is a giant Australian black rainforest millipede.
It's an arthropod, and it comes from the family Myriapoda and the phylum Diploda.
This type of millipede can be found in the leaf litter of northern Queensland. It is Australia's largest species, growing to be up to 20 centimetres in length. This one is only 15. These millipedes are commonly misidentified as centipedes and are killed. This is of course entirely wrong, because these millipedes help in our ecosystem by breaking down detritus, and these antennae help the animal smell its surroundings. Because they have poor vision, they rely on their sense of smell to find their next meal, which could be leaf litter or pretty much any vegetation that can find along the forest floor. And they have 3 sets of mandibles. These mandibles grind up their next meals, and then once they're done, they swallow it and take all the nutrients from it and release a perfect capsule that is pretty much dirt, and this helps fertilize the rainforest environment and it helps raise the next trees. These millipedes are also very slow moving, and they don't need to be fast moving because of their sheer size. If a predator does see a millipede and thinks, this thing could be delicious, and tries to grab a hold of it, the millipede will release a noxious chemical out from between its segments. This can sometimes kill small predators and disorientate big predators. This is of course a poison. Unlike toxins, the poison doesn't get injected. It needs to be ingested inside of the victim. The giant millipede is peaceful on the most part, and the little dots along his side are his spiracles. These are the breathing organs they uses to suck up oxygen and release CO2. The millipedes can sometimes lose legs in fights with other males over females. The way you can tell a millipede male and female apart is if you count to the 7th segment. If they have a leg missing on that 7th segment, that means they're a male. And if they don't, and they still have that leg, that's a female. Why they have this missing leg is because that is the home of their breeding organs. And some millipedes have their breeding organs out instead of in. But this type keeps them inside of it because it lives in hardy woodland environments. This millipede has 246 legs, and they can be up to 2 centimetres in diameter. The giant millipede, a beautiful creature that can be found in northern Queensland and can be found in the pet trade as well.